In our last video, we learned the different parts of a cell and their corresponding functions. If you haven't still watched our video about the different parts of a cell and their functions, you may pause this video to watch it. The link is posted on the description box. In this video, we are going to find out the similarities and differences between plant cell and animal cell in terms of their shape, size, and the absence and presence of an organelle. At the end of this video, we are also going to organize their similarities and differences using a Venn diagram. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
Amazing! Kumusta ka? Ito si SirBas ng SirBas TV. Ako ang makakasama mo sa pagtuklas ng mga kaalaman tungkol sa agham o science. Aalamin natin ang mga iba't ibang konsepto na may kinalaman sa matter, living things and their environment, force, motion and energy at earth and space. Handa ka na bang maging amazing? Kung oo, kunin na ang iyong ballpen at papel at sama-sama tayong maging amazing. By the way, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, i-click lamang ang subscribe button at notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod kong uploads. I-like and share na rin ang video nito.
Most cells have everything they need to carry out the basic life functions. Although all living things are made up of cells, all cells are not the same. Cells with different shape and sizes have different roles. Shapes and sizes are related to the functions of the cell. The basic differences between most plant and animals are their shape, size, and the absence and presence of an organelle. But before we discuss their differences, let us first talk about their similarities. Both plant cells and animal cells are eukaryotic. This means that plants and animals are multicellular, and they possess a true nucleus, a membrane-bound nucleus. The basic structures of eukaryotic cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Both plant cell and animal cell contain the following organelles: mitochondrion, ribosome, Golgi bodies, nucleolus, vacuole, lysosome, and endoplasmic reticulum. Let us now talk about their differences, starting with their shapes. Observe the pictures of animal and plant cell. What do you think is the difference between them? Correct! Animal cells come in various shapes and tend to have round or irregular shapes. On the other hand, plant cells are more similar in size and are typically rectangular or cube shaped. When it comes to size, animal cells are generally smaller than plant cells. Animal cells range from 10 to 30 micrometers in length, while plant cells range from 10 to 100 micrometers in length. Take note, the size of plant and animal cells shown in the picture is just for representation. They are not their actual sizes. Let us now compare and contrast the plant and animal cells in terms of their organelles. Observe the pictures of animal and plant cells. What do you think is the difference between them? Let us start with the vacuole. Both plant and animal cells have vacuole. However, animal cells may have many small vacuoles and they are called vesicles. Meanwhile, plant cells have a large central vacuole that can occupy up to 90% of the cell's volume. Next is lysosome. Animal cells possess lysosome which contain enzymes that digest cellular macromolecules. On the other hand, plant cells rarely contain lysosomes as the plant vacuole handles molecule degradation or the breaking down of molecules. Succeeding organelle is the cell wall. Animal cells do not have a cell wall but have a cell membrane. Plant cells have a cell wall composed of a cellulose as well as a cell membrane. A cell wall gives the plant cell a shape, support, and protection. Furthermore, this gives the plant cell its box-like shape. This also allows the plants to remain strong and stand upright even if it grows to great heights. Next, we have the chloroplast. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. Meanwhile, plant cells contain chloroplasts, which are needed for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process wherein plants make their own food. This is the reason why animals eat plants. They do not have chloroplasts. Thus, they cannot make their own food and depends on plants to obtain energy. Next is centriole. Animal cells have centrioles while plant cells do not. Centriole plays an important role in cell division. Cell division is important in animal cells because it enables the organisms to produce new cells needed for the production of new organisms, growth, and maintenance. And that is the difference between animal and plant cells. In summary, plant cell and animal cells are both eukaryotes. This means that they have a true nucleus. They are different in some aspects because they perform different functions. Let us organize the similarities and differences of animal and plant cells using a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram shows relationship between and among set or groups of objects that have something in common. It uses two circles that overlap with one another. The common things are found in the overlapping area, while the differences are in the non-overlapping areas. Try to do a Venn diagram of animal and plant cells. You can compare your answers with the answer key at the end of this video. Do not forget to comment your scores with the hashtag AgAmazing. See you on our next science lesson.